everybody. We are a new YouTube channel that is getting started, and we are going to be doing some really interesting builds, a lot of really interesting videos. Today, though, I want to get started on a really cool project that I think a lot of you guys are going to like, that no one has really covered on YouTube. And so I'll just get right into it. In front of me here, I got a 2005 G35X sedan. And on the exterior, this car doesn't really, look much in terms of performance, orientation, or anything like that. And that's what we're really after is performance at the end of the day. And so we got this G35X for a fantastic deal. As you can see, it's got some hail damage on it. Would be a completely salvage build. Nice black interior. So much of the clear coat's coming off, but I got this car for $3,000, and I'm going to start just completely stripping it out. And so today we're going to be walking through with you, just taking off some of the exterior parts, and then here in a little while we're going to get started just taking the car completely apart, and we're going to make a really high performance rolling chassis out of this. And I think, if you stay tuned, you're really going to enjoy what we've got in store for you. So let's go ahead and dive into this build, and I think everyone is really gonna enjoy this. All right.
When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a golden mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, 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 oblivion. Oh, going fall into oblivion. I'm going in. You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall from a golden mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. I'm going out.